Myself, my name is Sheikh Makbool. I am working as a safety officer in Shauran through Sahara Air Condition Company. So today we discuss about the awareness of emergency exit route, and then fire action. What to do if an emergency occurs. So we will know today. First we know about mostly throughout the country, more than 200 people are being killed and more than 5,000 workers are being injured throughout the year. And it is a long tragic history due to the fire exit and extinguishing system. As per OSHA requirement, all employees should get trained and get proper training and firefighting and first aid courses to them. So we will start now with exit route. First, wherever we go, even you are going to the meetings or in malls or shopping, just prepare and check where is the exit route. Means if any emergency happen, check the route, where I should go, how I should approach. Check the logos, symbols, everything. See, you can see here, if any fire happens here, so they must walk this way and reaching to the assemble point. In Shauran we can call muster point. And exit route must be permanent and it should not be blocked. And it should have exit route must be separately by fire resistant material. And exit discharge means when the exit door is mentioned, when you go pass through the exit door, it must reach to the outside of the area. Means if you are entering here, you should not reach to the other room or other place. It should be in a safe place. Like example, we can tell the street walkways, refuge area, public ways, open space. And exit. Can you tell me this picture is right?
No, wrong.
No, because exit has been blocked. And must be able to open inside without keys. Always it should be open.
No, if it is locked, then it's not exit door.
No, it is not. Show that I am asking for you the picture. You can see whether it is right or wrong. See here. Exit route must be always, it must be free. Not to block the material or any explosive material. If you see in this picture, the cartoons are blocking the area. Only one person can pass. Emergency means maybe 3-4 people they can run. But we should not run. The area must be clear. See, for example, see these boxes, and here there is the people, somebody they are cleaning the floor, so they kept the caution, the wet area. But they are mentioning this is the emergency exit. Keep exit route free of explosive and highly flammable material. Arrange exit route so that employee can have travel towards high hazard area. So, in emergency safeguards, we have smoke detectors here, we can have sprinklers, water sprinklers, and exit marking. If it is an exit door, only the sticker, only the logo must be there, not to keep open slowly. Through this mirror, we can't see outside, no more logos must be there, only the exit, because whenever emergency happens, the person must see it is an exit door, not other than it. And whenever you see the exit, for example, if you are going outside, you see the exit there, but there is not exit. There must be a direction, go through, not to be confused. And see, if it is not an exit door, it should be mentioned. Like you can see this in picture, notice, not an exit. Maybe it is another office or another stairs way or something else. So it should be clearly mentioned, and no other additional posters must be added on it. Emergency action plan. You can see in Shauran, you can see in Al Ghanim. When you enter inside, there is an emergency plan. If any accident or incident happen, how to escape and reach the assembly area. So they shown in the map. You can see, you can find outside. Like this map will be there. If emergency happen, this is one exit, this is one exit. So we can reach the assembly point. And when emergency happens, fire action, at least all people must know what to do at that time. Like operate nearest fire alarm, number 1. For example, you can tell me, if anything happen, what you will do?
Call emergency number.
Emergency number. In Shauran, you will tell maybe 7777. In Kuwait, you can tell 112. If you go to KOC 160, different area, different numbers are there. So that you can call them easily. And then after that, you will search for exit. Where to go, where to run. And then do not collect your belongings. Maybe my laptop is here. Oh, my iPhone I purchased newly. Oh, no. Maybe you can die. Fire can approach. So don't use lift. Go to the assembly point. The last is go to the assembly point. The main thing of assembly point is to count head. For example, we are 10 people here sitting. If 10 people we reach to the assembly point, so we can know we are all safe. If one missing, so we can count easily. The person who is a warden or head, so he can count, oh, 9 people, one person is there. So the main thing for assembly point is for a head count. And portable fire extinguisher. If the fire extinguisher has provided for you, at least you must know how to operate it. And please don't block like this, see, in the picture. They want to keep safe. Not they want to use, they want to keep in safe. So they blocked it. And the use of fire extinguishers, we have 4 types. One is A, combustible for paper, wood, and B for liquid, oil, gas, like this. And number C, equipment for electrical, and number D for metal. So always keep the fire extinguisher in right place, and right person should be operate to the person who know to operate, he can take it easily. And the simple formula is there, pass. If you take a fire extinguisher, just pull the pin, aim it, squeeze it, sweep side by side. This is a simple formula. And summary. There must be enough exit in the proper arrangements for quick exit. So, if 20-30 people are here, only one exit, maybe we can get injured by trashing each other. So there must be, we have here and here, so it will be very easy. Exit route must be marked clearly, not to confuse all the logos, posters here, so it must be marked easily. And emergency of fire action plan must be in place. Whenever you enter into the building, just check the plan and what are the fire actions. Use a fire extinguisher in emergency if you know to operate, and reaching the assembly point. Any questions? Okay, if any fire happens, what will you do? Call the emergency. For example, we are working in Shauran. What is the emergency number? 7777. Okay, where we will go beat all people is in emergency? Muster point. In Shauran we will call it muster point. In if you go other companies, is assembly point. Anything else?
Thank you.
Congrats, you wrapped up in time.
No, still oh, it is recording, please slowly.
Can you repeat for us the PASS stand for what, please?
Yeah, pass means P for pull the pin, A for aim. See, for example, fire is coming high, but you think, fire is coming, I must do. No. Aim it from where it is starting. Aim. A is aim the fire.
Okay.
So it will be starting point there. Just squeeze it
Yes, first.
and sweep it. Before doing the fire extinguisher, just identify what type of fire it is.
Yeah.
Maybe it is electrical, you are using water.
Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you.